Slider Windows Mandeville offers a seamless blend of functionality and style for your home. Our professional window installers in Mandeville ensure that each installation is performed with precision and care, providing you with energy-efficient windows that enhance your home's aesthetic and reduce energy costs. With a focus on custom window solutions, we cater to the unique needs of each client, ensuring satisfaction with every project. Energy-efficient windows Mandeville are a top priority for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on utility bills. Our selection of double-pane windows and insulated windows provides superior thermal performance, keeping your home comfortable year-round. We offer a range of affordable window options in Mandeville, LA, to suit any budget without compromising on quality or efficiency. Custom window solutions in Mandeville, LA, are designed to meet the specific needs of your home. Whether you're interested in vinyl slider windows or sliding glass windows, our window design consultation services help you choose the perfect style and material. Our durable window materials ensure long-lasting performance, while our window style options in Mandeville, LA, allow you to personalize your space. Window replacement services in Mandeville are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our local window contractors in Mandeville, LA, specialize in window glass replacement and window frame repair, ensuring that your windows are both functional and visually appealing. With our window repair experts in Mandeville, LA, you can trust that your home is in good hands. Double-pane windows in Mandeville, LA, provide excellent insulation and noise reduction, making them a popular choice for residential window services. Our window maintenance services in Mandeville ensure that your windows remain in top condition, extending their lifespan and enhancing their performance. From window sealing services to window weatherproofing, we offer comprehensive solutions to protect your investment. Vinyl slider windows Mandeville are a versatile and cost-effective option for homeowners seeking modern window solutions. Our window hardware installation services in Mandeville ensure that your windows operate smoothly and securely. With our window screen repair services, you can enjoy fresh air without the hassle of insects or debris entering your home. Window repair experts in Mandeville, LA, are dedicated to providing top-notch service for all your window needs. Whether you require window frame repair or window glass replacement, our team is equipped to handle any challenge. Our home window upgrades in Mandeville offer a range of options to enhance your home's value and curb appeal. Residential slider windows Mandeville are tailored to meet the diverse needs of homeowners in the area. Our window measurement services in Mandeville, LA, ensure a perfect fit for every installation, while our window sealing services provide added protection against the elements. With our professional window installers in Mandeville, you can expect exceptional results every time.